Welcome to this little small clip, being at the train station to go out to two towns and basically be on the train through the countryside. And this is a pizza I had last night. It was amazing. Right.
Beware of pickpockets. In case of need, ask only Trenitalia staff for more information.
These are the places. Let's see. Next one's 11:23. Silly AI, I'm saying. Okay, we're going for the 11:23. AI is silly. It's done it by UK time. So that's 2. Blast. 5:35 to 6. No. Okay, so we're getting to 3:42 to come back and get here by 4. After that will be after sunset. There we go. 3:42 to 4. There we go. So we're going to leave in about an hour and 15 minutes. Oh my gosh, I got this. So yes, I accept. Request invoice as well. Oh, tax code. No, right. Enter discount. Anyone know discount? And purchase card. Let me just end this one. I'm doing NFC. Okay, I've done the card. I had to do fingerprint. And these lights came on. That didn't work. My gosh, it's so slow. Yeah. Ah, there we go. And then those lights came up as if it didn't work. So after a couple of minutes, it's saying, oh yes, it's worked. So this is a ticket. Oops, upside down. So that's the ticket. I'm very disappointed with AI. AI is rubbish, absolutely rubbish. You can't trust it. It spoots out information, but it's not reliable. You see, there's no 10:23, and it was saying, yeah, are you sure? And yeah, every hour. 11:52. So we get there by 11:52. I stopped at Campobello de Mazara. Let me take a photo of this again. Right.
Beware of pickpockets. In case of need, ask only Trenitalia staff for more information.
These are the places. Let's see. Next one's 11:23. Silly AI, I'm saying. Okay, we're going for the 11:23. AI is silly. It's done it by UK time. So that's 2. Last 5:35 to 6. No. Okay, so we're getting to 3:42 to come back and get here by 4. After that will be after sunset. There we go. 3:42 to 4. There we go. So we're going to leave in about an hour and 15 minutes. Oh my gosh, I got this. So yes, I accept. Request invoice as well. Oh, tax code. No, right. Enter discount. Anyone a discount? And purchase card. Let me just end this one. I'm doing NFC. Okay, I've done the card. I had to do fingerprint. And these lights came on. That didn't work. So eventually, after a few minutes, these 2 tickets came out at the bottom. But after putting the NFC mobile phone, the lights then started to flash to enter a physical card or money. It was all very confusing. No machine or noise or LED displaying to please wait, asperte. No one seemed to be buying, no one used Oyster, everyone seemed to be coming on and off to trains during the day. No one's checking. So yeah, but I got one anyway. Here's some nice graffiti I thought I would show. I always find it fascinating, graffiti, like the old school wooden desks in school in the olden days. I'm showing my age now. And this is how it was on the benches. People have time to damage property, no respect, but that's how youths are today. Now, this is from what I found out from locals, this is this is an Honor 90 mobile phone. There's quite a few of these being advertised around. And I thought it was the vaping company actually when I edited this. Here's basically a map in full, a bit like the one from the first day or 1 or 2 when I was at the station, with some information that you may want to read and where the train stations are in the Sicilian region. In case of emergency, here are some important numbers you may want to telephone, the Cabarani, the police, and any other situation you can call these numbers, which is handy. This is very important. Always take photos of these. These are the departure times from this and the train where it's going from A to B, and also the times where it stops the other places, so help you to organize your day trip. And this is when it arrives, so you can organize what train to get and when, and put an alarm on your phone 20 minutes before so you can have time to get back in case you forget the timing.